During the different tutorials of the Boolean package, the same LPG sphere will be studied. In the LPG sphere, there are two preventives layers. The first one, it's a control loop, made up with a high-level sensors connected to a control valve. If the level on the sphere is upper than 80%, the sensors is triggered and the order to close the valve is directly sent. The same sensor activates an alarm. If the first barrier is down and the gas level is upper than 90%, a safety instrument loop is implemented. The safety system is one level sensor, LSHH, connected to the control unit, and the final action is to close one of the two SDV. If these both preventive layers are failed, a 65 mm leak appears on the LPG storage sphere. To limit the consequences, a deluge system is installed. With 3 gas detectors in 1 out of 3 the leak is detected, and the information is sent to the fire and gas logic solver. An alarm is triggered to prevent an operator. The operator will activate the push button to start the deluge system. In this tutorial, the global model will be created using GRIF Bool module to link the different approaches. Barriers are detailed using a SIL loop, or a fault tree. Bool allows different approaches to be combined. First, the models are imported, then they are linked together. Each approach is added to a specific page. Right-click to select elements you want to combine, such as replacing a barrier with a safety instrumented loop. Launch powerful computations with a single click, and quickly generate results for all models. Results are determined by the models created in Bool.